Guys, Josh here with the Dirty Hoe. I'm going to be doing a little Kpro tutorial. One of the first things and common thing for guys not to do when they install Kpro is move this wire here. It is actually your ground wire. Normally it would be attached to your manifold. Mine's an RBC, so no longer have a mounting point. So you want to make sure this is up. And then we're going to go ahead and take a little walk around the Dirty Hoe here. Go ahead and go inside. And to get to your ECU, you're going to be removing this little cover. Once this cover is removed, you will have access to the ECU. There are 3 10mm bolts, one here, one way back here, and one on the other side. You're going to first remove your 3 plugs, 1, 2, and 3, and then remove the 10mm. That'll drop your ECU out, and you'll be able to send it off to have Kpro installed. Once you get it back from Honda, you'll go ahead and reinstall, replug in, and you'll add this little cable here, which is your USB, which plugs right in the back of the ECU. Once you have that fully plugged in, you'll go ahead and take your other side and plug it into your laptop. Hopefully you have one. And you're going to get on Honda's website. And you're going to scroll down to downloads. And then scroll down to Kmanager. And you're going to go ahead and download Kmanager. Once you're done downloading and installing Kpro Manager, you will have a window open that will look similar to this. This is actually going to be where you register. It'll be under the Kpro tab, and you will enter in all your information here. Make sure to put your actual VIN number in, an email, and a phone number. Then you will click register with Kpro with Honda, and you will need internet connection for this. Once this is complete, you will go up to the top and select either new calibration or the little file here if you have an existing tuner sent you a calibration to run. Selected your calibration, whether it's a new calibration or uploading from a tuner, you'll use this little arrow and hit upload, and you'll see this bar go across. Once complete, it'll disappear, and now the car is ready to be started. And double check all these numbers. You want your air fuels to be right around 14.7, 14.5 while idling. Make sure your temperatures are good, intake, ECTs. Make sure short term should be plus or minus 5%. If you're just starting tuning, it may be a little higher, maybe a little lower. You're gonna get with your tuner and see where you go from there. And then once you're ready to drive the car, you'll hit the record button here, hit record. These numbers here will start to change. Once they start changing, you're recording. And to stop it, click it again and hit data log, save as, to save it as a new file. And you'll save it under the calibration name or however the tuner has set up with you to save the file as. And once you're done with the data log, you can email it to any tuner you would like and start tuning and enjoy Kpro.